This is that dirty recipe for that special someone. Oh yeah. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hey! Oh yeah, Todd the Dirt Man back in the house. It's time to get dirty with the Dirt Man. And you and your family and everybody's gonna love this recipe. It is called Dirty Shrimp Scampi. And woo! You're gonna love it. Alright, so this recipe is in the Let's Get Dirty cookbook. You can print it and also find it on toddsdirt.com. And you can also find the recipe listed down below. And let's get to the ingredients. We've got the linguine, it's the wheat style, a little more healthier, kind of watching the LBs a little bit. Parmesan cheese, we got the garlic, we got the tomatoes, white onions, some margarine, we got some beautiful 16-20 count shrimp, we've got the extra virgin olive oil, and oh yeah, I got the 3 dirts right here. We got the Chesapeake dirt, we got the cuckoo for Bayou, and we got the original dirt, and here we go. All right, now we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of the extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to add 5 tablespoons of margarine and we're going to melt this. And now we're going to mix it up a little bit. Now we're going to add some garlic. All right, now I'm going to add the original dirt. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of original dirt. One tablespoon of the Bayou. 2 tablespoons of the Chesapeake dirt. All right, now we're going to add some onions. Mix that up a little bit. Now we're going to add this lovely shrimp. Shrimp takes probably about 3 minutes. So I'm looking for the color. I want the shrimp to look pink color, and it's going to start shrinking and curling up a little bit. And then we'll add the tomatoes. And now we're going to add the tomatoes. We're going to cook the tomatoes just for about 1 minute. All right, so the pasta's done. We've put it in the bowl. Now we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese. Add as much as you like. You can see I like a lot of it. Mix that up pretty well. I love Parmesan cheese. Now, freshly grated is obviously best. I found this in the grocery store. Much better than the box stuff that you can use. And now we're gonna add the scampi. We're going to mix this up really well. Woo! My goodness, this is the top part. This is when I get to try it. Oh, I really wish you could be here with us. My happy place. Oh my goodness. Love in here. This is so good. All right, I can't talk anymore. I'll come back. All right, check this out. This is such a fabulous recipe. I hope you really enjoyed me watching doing this. Remember, subscribe, follow us, do all those fun things on YouTube. Check us out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and toddsdirt.com. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty. This is what I call a happy ending.